Hey all, how you going? Been meaning to make this video for a while. Alright, so here we go. Gonna call this video one last try and one last six run. So here we go. I'm pretty sure yous have gathered by now what this video is about. So I'm gonna shut up and just fly. Look at this. As everyone can see, the seats and the stands, covers, gone. So this green used to be kept in such beautiful order. So let's go for a fly around the premises. Not much left now. I did want to do this when there was still seats and roofs on the stand. I must say, I've never actually been in this stadium for any event. Only really sat in the background and listened to some of the concerts that used to be on. So I can't say I used to sit there once upon a time. What do you reckon, people? One last try. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. I can make it, make it, make it. Yeah, so it goes, I'd say, yeah. Yeah, got him. Yeah. Here we go. One last try for you peoples. Let's go and have a mosey up the top of the stands and we'll start and we'll go from there and make our way down. Careful, mate. You see me? Wave. You see me sticking my hand through the fence? Nah, you just don't want to look at me. It's alright, I have to put these on so I don't crash into anything, so I've got all my obstacle avoidance sensors on. Ooh, that gave me a fright. Alright, let's go and see what it used to look like from right up the top, eh? Looking down. Okay. Beautiful day. Look at these horribly brown hills, would you? Sugarloaf, where this place used to beam its live footage to. Anyway, this video is 10 minutes already, so I'm gonna wrap it up soon. Jade. Up we go. Now, isn't that a beautiful sight? Well, once was a beautiful sight. See what it looks like at 1,000 feet. I'm going to keep going past 1,000 feet to see what this baby used to look like flying over in an aircraft, which probably not a lot of you would have got to experience. I'm going to go all the way up to 1,600 feet, see what this baby looks like. Wow.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Okay, everybody. Okay, signing out. Goodbye, Jade Stadium, Lancaster Park, AMI. Goodbye.